Hey there, fellow explorers and property owners. Welcome to another episode where we dive into practical tips to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling the question, how to get a topographic map of your property in 2025. If you're into hiking, landscaping, construction, or just love understanding your land's layout, this guide is perfect for you. Let's jump right in. First off, what's a topographic map? It's a detailed representation of the Earth's surface, showing elevation, contours, rivers, roads, and other features. In 2025, with advanced digital tools, getting one is simpler than ever, helping you avoid surprises like hidden slopes or flood zones. Step 1. Head to reliable government resources. Start with the United States Geological Survey (USGS) website. It's free and user-friendly. Simply enter your property's address or coordinates, and you can download or view topographic maps instantly. If you're outside the US, check your country's equivalent, like Natural Resources Canada. Step 2. Explore online mapping tools. Platforms like Google Earth Pro or ArcGIS offer customizable topographic layers. In 2025, AI-enhanced features let you generate 3D models from satellite data. Just upload your property details for a personalized map. These tools are great for quick overviews and are often free or low cost. Step 3. For more precision, consider hiring a professional surveyor. If you're planning major projects, a licensed expert can create a custom topographic survey using drones or GPS technology. Expect to budget around $500 to $2,000, depending on your property size. Don't forget to verify the map's scale and date for accuracy. Outdated maps might miss recent changes. Always cross-reference with local regulations to ensure compliance. Wrapping this up, getting a topographic map is straightforward and empowers you to make informed decisions about your property. Give it a try, and let us know in the comments how it goes. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more handy guides. Thanks for watching, stay curious and see you next time.